I'm very connected to the spiritual zone of Kuke Subramaniam. A very long time, I'm a big follower of Kuke Subramaniam. I love Bengaluru. I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of emotional connect with Bengaluru. Bengaluru is always special to me. I loved Kantara, bro. I spoke to Rishabh. It's unbelievable film, bro. Oh my god. And I'm really happy for Kantara. I'm a very good friend of Yash sir and Rishabh. Yeah, bro. To answer the question, thanks for the wishes and. God is so kind. God is showering a lot of love on us, on Jawan, on Bengaluru Jawan, on National Award. Yeah, of course, I think Jawan is a lucky thing for me and for the entertainment world. And Jawan is not just a word, it's an emotion. It's all about how you protect, how you be strong, how you be very firm to get good things. So it is a lucky term and a good term. So it is showering a lot of love. Yeah, bro, of course, because the facility is not very money consuming. It's a simple facility. You should have 4 bats and 4 players. Maybe 2 is also fine and simple ground is enough. So it makes easy for everyone. That's how cricket picked up in India during 70s and 80s. I think pickleball in next 2-3 years it's going to be a very, very, very familiar and very well-breeded game in the country for sure. Yeah. I'm very connected to the spiritual zone of Kuke Subramaniam from a very long time. I'm a big follower of Kuke Subramaniam, and when we checked with the slot what all the cities available, then I asked, is there Bengaluru available? I want to take Bengaluru, and fortunately. We got the first championship. Immediately in the same year, RCB also got it. So I think it's a year for Bengaluru and things are falling in place. I love Bengaluru. I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of emotional connect with Bengaluru, apart from spiritual connect. So Bengaluru is always special to me. City, bro. Mostly city and the hills nearby. We just go for a vacation. That's it. Yeah. Right now, pickleball. And it's going to be pickleball. Yeah. We have a busy schedule. Definitely, I will check with him. For sure, I will check with him if he can join some game. I'll ask him for sure. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming. Really, I appreciate that. Press is the most essential tool to take everything to the people, and I think you should take this. Pickleball is the most important, will play important key role in health system and fitness, because it gives a great mental health and any age, there is no age bar. When I went to LA for some of my film work, everywhere you can see people with no age barrier, some 14 years old and 50 years old are playing, and lot of women are playing. I think it is the most easiest way to bring your mental health to a control and to bring your fitness in control, because now we go through a lot of stress, a lot of challenges in life. I think we should concentrate on health and we should concentrate on fitness. I think pickleball is one of the best game for it. That is the most reason I've come into sport. Let's spread pickleball as much as, and you are the people who can take it to the audience and make them play. Thank you. Thanks for coming here today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, I loved Kantara, bro. I spoke to Rishabh, and I love it's unbelievable film, bro. Oh my God, what he has pulled. Oh my God, it has given great confidence to the filmmakers, and I'm really happy for Kantara. And I'm a very good friend of Yash sir and Rishabh. Both are doing great, and both are bringing a lot of things to the industry, and they are being an inspiration, bro. Yeah. Of course, that's the main motto to have this local tournament. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for the lovely meet. Thank you.